Hello everyone, Andy here, hope you're well. So today I wanted to do a little close-up detail view. Hopefully I'll keep it quite a fast short video, but I wanted to cover all the bases on this Gold Edition ST. Ford never have done something like this before, but this is kind of as close to I think what you could do if you wanted a special edition. Get rid of all the red badging, the red ST badging, or for example if it was an RS, the blue, and this is pure gold. Everything in there has been changed to gold. Now I've seen people do stuff before, you know, where they put like gel overlays and maybe change the badges and front and back of the car and stuff like that, but not to the extent that I've done where there's no other colours, it is all gold. So let's flip the camera around and have a look in closer detail. So I'll only quickly cover the outside, but we've got the gold brake calipers, the fog light surrounds, got a little Colin McRae gold decal on the top. Excuse the car, is really dirty, but I've not really had much chance to wash it because the weather's bad. We've got the gold calipers on the back and the red and the gold ST150 on the side as well. Now it's the same on both sides, but let's have a look at the inside because this is where the majority has been done. We do have a little bit of gold, which is the gold Black Panther, which is the nickname. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that. Now we've got stuff like the stitching. So if you can see here, on the gaiters, we've got the stitching, and the same if I get up close on the steering wheel, again, it's the gold stitching. Now, I replaced the actual Ford badge on the steering wheel with a real carbon fibre one, and the same with the gear knob, but I have got the gold stitching. But then another little addition that I've done recently, you'll have seen in a video, is that which I think really sets it off. Having the gold actually on the seats themselves is just mint. Look at that. How cool is that? I don't think I've ever seen another ST with sort of different colour stitching. Now obviously if you want to see how I've done this, check out my video that I've done on this recently. Now something else is this, which you will have only seen on my Instagram, but I changed the red with these gold decals, which are on both sides, and just give it that little bit of extra something that, you know, it's just little touches like that were annoying me, that everything else is done gold on the inside of the car, but these were standing out. So big thanks to Paul, you know who you are, sorted me out with these decals, they look awesome. And then the other little addition, if I just go around the other side, again this is something I only showed you on Instagram, is the ST that I hand painted, respray painted on the steering wheel. Again, as standard, that is red. I have seen people do them before, but I've never seen a gold one. I mean, just look at how cool that looks. Like if I kind of get that little angle kind of there with the steering wheel, you've got the gear gaiter, all the gold stitching that's going on the steering wheel and the gear gaiters themselves. Now I have got a little bit more yet to come because in the future I want to get these done in the same black Alcantara and gold stitching as that. So that will kind of finish off the interior. But how cool is it? I love it. I think these really did sort of set it off quite a lot. Getting the gold instead of the red, again, was something that just bugged me, something you do not see. A lot of people, like I said, I have seen them painted before. I've seen people change these, you know, probably change something here as well. And like the front and rear of the car, you know, they change the badges. But I've got a black matte decal, and I've just kind of plasti dipped that for now, but I've got future plans for that, and that might be improved a little bit on. But I have never seen anyone change these. Again, excuse the fact they are a bit dirty, there's a bit of water in there at the moment, but there we go, that shows them off a little bit better. They look so smart, and from not that close up, honestly, they look OEM, like you wouldn't be able to tell. So it really does give, like, I don't know if you see it on camera as much, but it gives that impression and feel of a full-on gold special edition ST. I know it's nothing like mad, you know, I'm not doing a video where it's like mods and stuff, but I just wanted to do this video because I think I mentioned before, it's something that I've only covered on Instagram. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you won't have seen all the little attention to detail on what I've done now. I'm not going to show you the engine bay because I just think that's something, you know, Ford wouldn't really do. But stuff like calipers, badges, decals, that sort of thing is the sort of thing you could imagine on an actual official special edition that Ford could do with an ST, doing a gold edition. So I just thought it was really cool. It's showing my own sort of taste, my own touches that I've done to the car. I personally, the reason why I've done it, I love the gold on the black. I've mentioned it, many reasons and my inspiration. But yeah, I'd love to know what everyone thinks. Comment below on what you think on what I've done to the car and the kind of finish as well that I've got to with it. So I'll leave the video there, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.